So if you want to know many more things about wheatgrass juice, what we'll get, and when we can drink, how we can drink, what is the benefit, what kind of vitamin minerals we'll get it, you need to watch our next episode. And if you want to grow wheatgrass juice at home, if you don't know how we can grow, you can watch our previous video. Even I have shared link in our description as well, so you can watch video and you can grow wheatgrass at home. How it will come, don't forget to share your experience with us.
Namaskar and welcome. It's me Mahalaxmi. You are watching Be Healthy, Keep Healthy Yoga channel. In our previous episode, you guys already watched how to grow wheatgrass juice at home. Today I'm going to show you how to make wheatgrass juice at home. Actually, we can get wheatgrass powder, wheatgrass tablet, wheatgrass juice outside also, but if we make at home, it will be very effective. It will be cheaper also. I will show you step by step how we can make wheatgrass juice at home. So I have wheatgrass here. This one is 71. I'm going to cut this one first. Actually, we can get twice. When I cut this one, I need to put water again, and it will come one more time. So we need to cut very gently.
We should not cut this wheatgrass very down because we can sprinkle water and we'll get one more time wheatgrass. If we want to use only one time, that's fine. Otherwise, we can get wheatgrass twice. After that, we can throw this soil in our garden. We can use for gardening. And again, we can use new soil and we can grow wheatgrass over and over.
Okay, so I'm going to wash it. This one we need to wash 2-3 times. Even like due to pandemic coronavirus, we need to wash our hand also, but we should not wash with soap. We can wash in water only. So let's go and wash it, and we'll make some washing this one. We need to wash at least 2-3 times. So guys, I already washed it. Now I'm going to make wheatgrass juice. Actually, I have manual juicer.
If we have masticating juicer, it will be very good. But if we don't have, we can use blender as well. But if we use blender, we need to add water also.
So guys, I'm going to keep here, and we need to.
Actually, to make wheatgrass juice, we can use electric blender, electric juicer. But today I'm using a manual juicer. This one is very small and very comfortable also, so I enjoy a lot. We can make wheatgrass juice, green juice, and we can make fruit juice also. That's why I like so much. But when I make next time wheatgrass juice, I will definitely make in electric blender, because maybe some people do not have electric juicer and manual juicer also. I have made wheatgrass juice so many time in electric blender, because before I didn't have a manual juicer.
So I have final batch.
So this is fiber and this is pure juice. Actually, this is pure organic juice, because when I used soil, it was organic soil, and seed also it was organic. So this is complete organic juice. Now I'm going to filter it. Actually, we don't need to filter it, but some people they don't like bubble of juice. So if they don't like it, they can filter it. Otherwise, you can drink without
So
filter.
guys, wheatgrass juice is ready. Now we can drink. Let's drink. It should look like a little sweet also because this is pure. So if you are drinking first time, if you feel tasteless or if you don't like, you can add a drop of lemon juice or honey, but I don't recommend anything. If possible, try to drink pure juice. It will be very effective. I hope you guys will grow wheatgrass at home and you can make wheatgrass juice yourself. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, try to do best and try to be safe. Thank you very much watching Be Healthy, Keep Healthy Yoga channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to make wheatgrass juice and drink. It will boost our immunity power. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Bye bye.